Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu. Yo, I can't do black and white because wow, ekaranje kimunzo. Okay, but also umusamseleku upgrades usne. Okay. Umusamseleku upgrades usne, which we finally get to understand why Usisiga Musamseleku is not around. But trusting Usne to go and do the due diligence that side was a wow. Did you see how Usne walked in the room and saying, "Hi, already ngizothethiswa ngabe meeting yan," right? And then Uabongwe was excited, asking Babak, "How are you in?" These children are from the same mother, the same father, rather, ne? But they experience their father differently. These children are from the same dad, but they experience Umusamseleku differently based on their actions and how they respond to his advice. And what I like, he said, Uguti, Abongwe listens to my advice. She considers what I say and she applies some of the advice. And we know Gutu Sne Adizeni, Bona Sne Banu Adlale, Sneki Motoya Mapara and then Safella Mo. Kura Adre Aquali Quite Giragaran no. So, same dad, different children experiencing their father differently. Every time Usne magayo khuluma nobaba wakhe uyaqaba ngokuthi yo gabe court case yani. Uba abongo magayo khuluma nobabakhe, it's about their development, their advices and updates. Same child, same father, different children, different experiences. Same as what happens to the wife. Same husband, different wives, different experiences.